Fresh headlights and taillights, redesigned front bumper, bigger screens on the interior, and even more power. All packaged in this same boxy body we've known for some time. This is the new 2024 Mercedes GLB, but can we really call it new? Let's find out. The Mercedes Benz GLB has always stood out as a roomy crossover compact SUV. Nestled right between the cozy GLA and the more popular GLC, the GLB has been rocking a unique upright boxy shape that you're likely to either love or hate. Even though it only joined the Mercedes family in 2020, the GLB has already received a mid-cycle update. The 2024 edition is all about fresh exterior vibes and jazzed up lights. Put it side by side with the previous model and you'll see a glow up. The front bumper and grille are more refined now. The LED headlights and taillights are more crisp, and now you can buy it in spectral blue metallic paint. There are also two fresh sets of wheels available, an 18-inch and 20-inch option. In terms of dimensions, things are the same. The new GLB still has 182.4 inches in length and an overall width with mirrors of 79.5 inches. The height doesn't change either. It's the same 65.4 inches, and the wheelbase stays the same as well at 111.4 inches. Ground clearance is still 7.9 inches, and the turning circle is unchanged at 38.4 feet. Overall, you get a sportier, more athletic GLB for a bit more money, but we'll get to the price later. Performance specs. Okay, let's chat about what's under the hood of the new GLB. The turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 gas engine now sports a 48-volt hybrid system. Thanks to its bell-driven starter generator, it can kick in an extra 13 horsepower to either boost acceleration or let the vehicle coast engine free. This setup also means a more seamless, low-noise start-stop system and energy regeneration during braking. So, while it maintains its peak power at 221 horsepower and 258 pound-foot of torque, the overall feel and efficiency get a nice lift. Drawing parallels, it feels a bit like the 2021 Mercedes E450 sedan vibe. That sedan had 2 extra cylinders compared to the GLB 250, but the principle stands. We don't have an exact 0 to 60 mph time yet. However, the 2023 all-wheel drive GLB did that 0 to 60 mph in an impressive 6 seconds flat. The question here is, how much faster would the 2024 GLB do with the extra boost of 13 horsepower? That remains to be seen. It'll likely bring it down to 5.8 seconds, so nothing too radical if you ask us. As for the sportier and angrier big brother, the AMG GLB 35, well, nothing changes. It still has that beautiful turbocharged 2.0-liter engine churning out 302 horsepower and 295 pound-foot of torque. Just like its sibling, it has received the same 48-volt hybrid treatment that allegedly brings 13 horsepower as boost when needed. A non-hybrid GLB 35 would snap off an impressive 4.9-second run from 0 to 60 mph, so it's likely that the new hybrid GLB 35 will do even better. Overall, the GLB 35 has a lively and nimble drive, but its fun vibes mean a bit of a bumpy ride. We're anticipating an even beefier GLB 45 model down the line that'll likely use the 382 horsepower turbo 2.0-liter engine seen in the sleeker CLA 45 sedan. But we'll have to wait for confirmation from Mercedes for this one. An 8-speed automatic transmission sends power to the front wheels on the base models. All-wheel drive is available as an option for the base model and as standard for the AMG version. So basically, all the 2024 GLB variants receive a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering those 13 extra horses when you push them too hard. Will it make such a big difference? It remains to be seen. Interior comfort and space. Starting off with a bit of a luxury touch, the GLB will now sport a Nappa leather steering wheel as standard. You get powered front seats, dual zone climate control, front and rear cup holders as standard. Fancy ventilated seats? You'll have to pay extra, but that's not exactly where the GLB shines. The GLB offers the unique perk of a third row seat that helps it stand tall against competitors such as the BMW X2, the Audi Q3, or the Lexus NX. Sure, that third row isn't the roomiest given its compact size, however, it's okay for short trips or an extra friend or two. So if you're into maximizing space, the 2024 GLB is a standout in its class. Even more, with 20 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row and a whopping 62 with those seats folded, the GLB's space rivals the larger BMW X3. There are not many trim levels to choose from in the GLB class, but if you're itching for an all-wheel drive, the 4MATIC variant is available for a tad more cash. Considering add-ons, we'd recommend the parking package for a bird's eye view with the 360-degree camera and the Burmester surround sound system, which now also gets enhanced Dolby Atmos technology. It's truly a game changer, especially if you love listening to music on long drives. And if you're the type of person who loves good mood light, the GLB now comes with different ambient light colors to choose from. Overall, the interior is thoughtfully designed. The color palette offers choices from basic black or beige to a brand new brown for the AMG line package. For the more environmentally conscious of you, there's also synthetic upholstery made of recycled materials. Infotainment and technology. Stepping into the cabin, you're immediately greeted by a pair of striking 10.3-inch displays, a significant jump from the previous 7.0-inch screens found in the 2023 model. What's even more exciting is that these screens, previously exclusive to that premium package, are now a standard offering. At the heart of it all stands the most recent version of the Mercedes acclaimed MBUX infotainment system, promising an intuitive user experience. The GLB is also equipped with voice controls, however, they're not the most intuitive if you ask us. In today's day and age where we spend half our days on mobile devices, the GLB doesn't fall short. It seamlessly integrates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. To further cater to our digital lives, Mercedes has thoughtfully added an additional USB-C port, enhancing convenience and boosting the charging capability. But the tech upgrades don't stop there. Mercedes has also added a rear-view camera as standard, with a driver-assisted parking function. Wireless charging is also available as standard. The AMG GLB 35 obviously has better equipment, but you'd also have to grab the premium package on that one because it gives you auto-folding mirrors, a cool hands-free liftgate, and keyless entry. Safety features. The 2024 Mercedes GLB is fitted with a host of standard driver assistance features that include a blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert and a safe exit system. It boasts LED lights, rain-sensing wipers, automatic emergency braking, and forward collision warning. For 2024, Mercedes has updated the available equipment with an improved lane-keeping assistance and lane departure warning system with more comfortable interventions. Also, the new parking package now supports longitudinal parking. Price. The starting manufacturer's suggested retail price for the GLB 250 is about $45,000. We're talking base model, 221 horsepower, 2.0-liter L4 turbo, and front-wheel drive. The AMG version should start from about $54,000.